February 21st, 2018 on URS.
So, this is what I've done. Oh, you can see the battery. So, I purchased a bunch of these buck converters, right? So what I did was, one buck converter goes to a female USB. The USB goes to the radio. Right there, the radio. I had to take the guts out because remember it's short circuited. So I had to take the guts out and check the guts. And in the process of moving, I lost it. It's two-piece case for a battery. I lost the inside case. So this is my new Bofang. Just trying it out. And so what I've done is, the thing, I put the buck converter on it, right? Connected it up. And then I took the voltmeter and I put it on the buck converter on the output. And I watched it. Actually, I measured a battery first to see how much the battery was. So then I just went to the buck converter, put the voltmeter on the buck converter, and then I plugged it into the radio, turned the radio on. It said low battery, so I turned the buck converter up a little bit, looked at the meter, checked it out, right? Keyed up with the radio, change battery. Turned up the buck converter a little bit more, keyed up, no reply from the bitch. Keyed up, no reply, keyed up, keyed up, keyed up. So there, the buck converter is set, proper voltage. Radio is running. With this, the heat sink does not get warm. It's not even hot. So we know that's working. Check the voltage on the voltage regulator. That's right there in the back, between the two capacitors. It's perfect. It's not even warm. So that's what we're going to do. And we'll see how long it lasts plugged into that battery. The battery's fully charged, 18 volts. Yeah, and I have another buck converter on there as well that I can use for something else that I don't have connected yet. So, 2 buck converters off the same battery. So, if I had some heat shrink, I'd put some heat shrink, a big 1-inch tube heat shrink over that and just shrink it. But I put 2 layers of tape in between the boards, and the tape overhangs all the boards. So there you go. So we'll see how that works. We'll try that out in a few. That's putting a consistent power supply to the radio. Yeah, sure.